Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about Yelp reviews and good reviews for law firms. Now there are essentially four main online review accounts that are extremely important for lawyers to use these days. The first one being Yelp, second one being Avo, third one being Google, and fourth one being Facebook. Now obviously we all know why Yelp is important. It's a great place where a lot of traffic goes into and you can gain a lot of business by having a strong account. Avo is specifically for lawyers, and it's a place where people specifically are looking for their specific type of lawyer. So if you have good reviews and you are ranking, you will generate business that way. Now Google is also very important because with Google Maps and Google reviews on Google Maps, people within your specific geographic area are looking for you, and if you have good reviews, you will be the first one to show up for them and you'll get a client nearby. And lastly, of course, Facebook. Having a ton of good Facebook reviews are great, especially when your friends are tagging you in posts. So these are the four main places that people are going to be looking for online reviews, but let's talk a little bit about why this is so important. People are looking all the time about what people have said about you, especially if they've been referred to you or if they found your advertising and click through to your website. They're going to be Googling your name, and guess what? These are the places that are going to be showing up. So if you have some good reviews, if you have some good press about you, these are the places people look, and people will essentially convert into business. And what does that mean? Revenue, which equals ultimately profitability for your firm and growth. If you're an existing law firm, you'll most likely already have these accounts set up. And if you do, that's great, because now you could look at some data and see how you're performing. If you have an existing account, let's see if you're at 5 stars. If you are, let's read the reviews. Let's find out why. And if you have good reviews for a specific reason, don't be a potato head. Let's replicate that. Let's get more reviews. It's your recipe for success, obviously. If someone says you called them once a month just to give them an update on their 2-year-long personal injury case, well, guess what? Maybe you should start implementing that for all of your clients. Now, if you have negative reviews, or if you're less than 5 stars, this is also important data. I know it sucks to get a negative review, but it always ends up happening at least once. So think to yourself, if you get a negative review, let's depict it. Let's look at it in detail and find out why you got a negative review. Let's look at what the person said. Yeah, sometimes you get some clients that are a little crazy, but other times they may be telling you how you can improve. So we want to pay attention to this, because if we can fix our areas of inefficiency, and if we can replicate our areas of successes, which we can determine through our reviews, then we can obviously continue improving, we can continue doing the good, and we can get rid of the bad. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this content useful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you find this useful for one of your attorney friends, comment their name below. And we'll see you next week for our next video. Thank you.